Hi, I'm Shannon McGee, strategic business coach and franchise owner with Network in Action here in Nashville, Tennessee, and the metropolitan area, as well as nationwide. And today I have Diane Crosier with me. She's a family law attorney. Thank you for joining me today, Diane.
Thanks, Shannon.
So tell me a little bit about your story. How did you get into law and family law?
I really decided back in junior high school that I wanted to be a lawyer, and I never changed that path at all, or my sight on that. And I really enjoy it. I worked briefly at the public defender's office in criminal defense law.
Okay,
After that, after a few years there, went to private practice. It just kind of landed in family law, mainly because I enjoy it. And
that's
I
awesome.
enjoy. I feel like I can help people in this line of work.
Yeah, that's awesome. So there's lots of there's other firms out there. What sets your firm apart, right? When someone's going through a divorce or has some kind of they need some family or child help, what sets you apart from some other attorneys in the area?
So choosing the name of our firm a little bit tells you it's
Mhm,
Crosier Hudson Family Law. That
mm,
is all we do. Okay, that's our specialty. We don't do a lot of different areas of practice like some firms do. So
mhm,
when we're handling your case, we know what we're doing because we've
mhm,
probably dealt with it many times before and
mhm,
different facts, but the same type matter. Um,
mhm.
so that's a big thing that sets us apart, in my opinion.
Well, and it gives you that experience, right? And it's not
Yes,
that the other law firms might not have it, but there's a lot of people out there that I know because I talk to them. They're like, I do this and this and this and this and this,
correct.
right? And I understand that's a way to build their business, but are they really experts at any one of them or are they generalist? And
Right.
it's such a life event that your clients would be going through, I would think it's just imperative to have someone that's an expert in that area of law.
Right, right.
So, so kind of on that note, Diane, I mean, we all know if if they're going through a divorce or knows someone going through a divorce, obviously we know that's a great time to call. But what are other, situations that they may need a family law attorney, and ways that you help people beyond that obvious?
Okay. So one big one oftentimes is if somebody's had some multiple marriages, or even if they've accumulated a lot of assets prior to their marriage, they need a prenuptial agreement. It's
Mm,
important. Um, People get into a divorce later on, and then they realize how important that would have been to
mhm,
kind of preserve their premarital assets. Okay.
mhm,
Um, we do a lot of step parent adoptions, even sometimes adult adoptions,
oh, that's
where
awesome.
a family might have lived as a family all their life, and it was a mother and a stepfather, and they at 30 decide to adopt, so it's legit, and they're the legitimate parents of that person. And it's more of an emotional thing, but it's important to some people. Conservatorships is something we do. It's if you have an elderly parent or someone that didn't provide all their estate documents and have a power of attorney, and then they can't make their own decisions. It may take a
Mm,
court proceeding to get you the power to make those decisions.
okay.
And then modifying parenting plans post divorce, child support. There's lots of things all related to that we handle.
I love that. Well, Diane, if someone wanted to reach you, what's the best way to contact you?
Well, our office number is a direct number, and then we're online, crosierhudson.com, and there's a number there as well. Jean is our assistant out front. She's wonderful. They call, she gets it all set up.
I love it. Diane,
Mhm.
thank you for joining me today. I love your journey that you always knew this is what you wanted to do and that you kind of fell into this practice area, but you love it, right? And you not only love it, you specialize in it, which makes you a great partner and champion for people who are going through these life changes. So thank you for joining me today.
Thanks, Shannon.